Hello friends, here is the project I made for you for use in your app. This is a 3D Earth, and when I say 3D, it includes stereoscopic 3D. So if you get your 3D glasses, you should be able to see the Earth popping out like a sphere popping out of the screen. This is done with metal from the ground up. It doesn't use any libraries except for SIMD and metal, which are internal Apple libraries. It has many pipeline states, and many of them can be accessed by flipping these switches. So turning off the 3D, the bloom can also be turned on and off, so that glow is generated by the graphics pipeline, and it is done using a trick with horizontal and vertical blur kernels that are applied multiple times on shrunken down images. It's essentially lightning fast, so I can do tons of passes of blur. I've set 32 as the limit, and the blur just screams, like it just runs fast. With 3D, we can kind of control the spread of the 3D. So like if I put them both to 0, it's going to be equivalent to non-3D. The per vertex, like you can see Africa getting bigger there, and the base will be like everything, so all the stars in the background. And what I've discovered just through trial and error is having a little bit of base stereoscopy makes for a saucier image. The night bleed kind of like adds more spillover to that light. That's something I'm experimenting with, like where exactly should the night lights end. It's a bit of an art form to kind of determine that. Then for the rest of it, there's just kind of standard lighting. Diffuse and specular are well-known forms of lighting. None has no lighting. And there's also this weird colored vertices state. So these are just more pipeline states that include colors per vertex. I'm not doing anything neat with it in here other than randomizing them on each frame. But overall, this project has been going on for years in various forms. And this is the latest, coolest version of it. And frankly, I'm pretty proud of it because when you put on the glasses and you look at it, you get an amazing effect. And I can control all that very well. The repository is up there so you can take a peek at it. I had fun doing this. I do have an idea for something I can use this for, so I didn't build it just for a demo. But I have an Android version that I've started to build, and I don't need it, but I can complete that too. I just don't need it right now. I just wanted to learn Android for fun, but I am also capable of building the same thing on Android. So targeting many billions of people, I think 2.5 to 3 billion. Of course they won't all download this, and in fact you're one of the few people who looks at this. So thank you for watching the video. I had fun building this app and recording this video, and I think, space is cool. You may ask, why did I put this weird background? And it's like more visually interesting than like a mostly black sky, which would be more accurate. And like when I was building it is just easier to see with more colors and stuff. So like if you have a blurred or something, just black background with a few little tiny white stars, it's just hard to tell what's going on. So it just makes it a little more poppin'. So it's not really like an accurate depiction of the Earth. Although the images are all derived from NASA, and they're derived from the Blue Marble project. So what I can do is just simply thank you again for watching this video, encourage you to check out the repo, and you know, happy meddling, happy iOSing, happy Androiding, and anything else. Thank you, goodbye.